Hi, hello, and welcome, Juliet. Nice to have you here today.
Thank you. Likewise.
You were a participant in my 8-week drawing course, and I would like to ask you some questions about your experience in the course. My first question is, can you tell us some words about yourself, who you are, and where are you from?
Okay. Well, my name's Juliet, obviously. I'm originally from England, but I live in Australia now, hence the accent. Um, yeah. So, what? Yeah. When I do you want me to say, how I started? I've got my previous art experience anyways when I started your
Yes.
course. So, yeah.
So you started from scratch.
Yes, yeah, I
Yeah.
did basically. What happened back in April, we lost our beloved cavoodle, Goldie, and so I was absolutely devastated. And it was actually my daughter that suggested,
Yeah.
so Mum, she must have had a confidence in me. She said, "Why don't you start drawing again? And you could draw Goldie, that'll help you."
Oh, how
Anyway,
wonderful.
yeah, it was lovely. It was such the best thing she ever actually suggested. So yeah, I previously done folk art painting about 30 years ago, just
Okay,
as a
wow.
hobby. Yeah. But I hadn't actually drawn since school over 40 years ago.
Yes.
I haven't done anything for the past 30 years, so it was all new.
This sounds amazing. So you reignited your passion for art in the course, or you started drawing animals now. Great. So,
Yes.
so you have now told me what your art life looked before the course. So you were a beginner, so to speak. What 3 things did you like best in the course? Or what did help you?
Oh, look, it was absolutely incredible. The whole course layout, seriously, Sabine, it was just excellent. It covered so many basics, with the fur, the noses, eyes, and it was just amazing. And then at the end of 8 weeks, I mean, wow, to be able to draw a whole dog, a German Shepherd, was just incredible. I really never thought I'd be able to do that within 8 weeks. Such a beautiful dog. Yeah, I
Yeah.
was so proud of myself. It was amazing. So having been able to achieve that was just incredible. But having the weekly Q&As with you was so helpful and encouraging. They really, I never felt alone and never felt I had to struggle. Um, your tutorials were terrific. To be able to pause and rewind them if necessary, that was fantastic. And I knew you were always there to help as well, to offer any advice. So yeah, it was just incredible. It really was.
Great. So thank you for that feedback. So you liked the lessons and finally drawing a full animal, so our German Shepherd portrait. And you said you did not believe that you can do that or that you are able to draw such a portrait. That's so cool to see how all participants really are able to draw that, even if you don't believe it at the beginning. Thank you for sharing this. You have drawn amazing portrait then finally.
Oh,
And I also appreciated that you like my feedback and answering the questions, because this is really a big goal of mine too, to bring in my knowledge into the course, help you to move forward faster and so on. And also, how did you like the community, the Facebook group around the course and other working together with other like-minded people? Did you also have experience with that?
yes, definitely. In fact, after the course, yeah, a lot of us have made another group up, just to keep in touch. And a lot of us have made friends, friended each other on Facebook and everything. Yeah, so it's just amazing. It's just really opened up so many friendships. as well as achieving everything.
This is so cool because you have met in the course and now you are friends and connect after the course too and share your artwork. I've heard it also from the other participants about this group. I really love that. So cool. There are people from all over the world, and maybe you also meet someone from Australia in your case, or the US ladies meet other Americans. This is really a huge advantage, I would say, from such a community around a drawing course, not only the drawing lessons.
Yeah.
Okay, so cool. And how does your art life look now after participating in the course? Where are you with your animal portraits now?
Oh, well, I've actually got one on the go here.
Yes.
Yes. It's literally changed my life, Sabine. It really has. I'm now doing something I've longed to do for so long, and to actually be able to do it, and yeah, I'm just totally hooked. It's just, yeah, I love it. And I love the pastel pencils, as a medium. They're just wonderful to use. The colours are so vibrant. I just love it. I really do. I can't stop now.
So cool.
Totally hooked. It's like therapy as well. It's just lovely. It really is great. Really enjoying.
So wonderful to hear that, so that you really now love pastels and drawing animals, and you have discovered this medium for you, and my course could help you. I really love that. Thank you for that feedback.
It's fantastic, and so I'm now following your animal art club as well, so I just can't stop. I just don't know which one to do next.
So cool. Do you also have drawn another portrait after the course yet, or what are you working at the moment?
Yeah, I'm doing a hare now, so
cool.
yeah, hairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing that at the moment. So unfortunately, when the course finished, we actually went away for a few weeks, so I had to have a bit of a lay down for 3 weeks. But now I'm straight back into it, and I've literally got a folder full of what I can do next. So,
that's cool. A little break after drawing 8 weeks together is always also helpful, and now dive into your art. Great. Thank you. A last question. What would you say to somebody who is thinking about joining the 8-week course?
I would just say, don't think about it, do it, just get enrolled. Because you're just such an amazing, talented artist and teacher. You really are, and you're always there for support and advice. So yeah, anyone, just don't procrastinate, don't think about it, just do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. They really can. It's just amazing. Thank you so much.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much for your kind words and your amazing feedback. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best with your animal portraits for the future. Have a lot of fun and enjoy it.
Thank you so much, Sabine. Thank you for everything.
Thank you. Bye.